Today we're going to take a look at the 35% off of Quinn sockets and Icon sockets that's going to happen on the March parking lot sale. And that's coming up next year on Just CB Gear. Welcome back everybody, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to go over some of the sockets that are going to be on sale for the 35% off parking lot sale. And what I want to do is just go and tell you guys all the different sockets and what the sales prices are going to be. And there's going to be one kicker in here. It's going to be a really good deal, but you're going to have to be an ITC member and snag it quick. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, now before we get started here, all these socket sets come in metric and standard. I'm not going to go over all that because it'll make it a long video, but this will give you a general idea of what they're going to be. And the first thing we got here is a 1/4 inch drive chrome socket set from Quinn. This one's going to be $12.99. Sale price on it is going to be $8.44. Then we got a Quinn 3/8 drive chrome socket set, normally $13.99. Your price on this is going to be $9.09. Alright, now the next thing we got here is the Quinn ASE and Metric Master Impact socket set. This is going to be the kicker I was telling you guys about, so let's click on this real quick. And what I'm going to show you real quick, we're going to move this up here. Right now we are on the 1/2 inch for $179.99. And with the sale price on this one, it's going to knock it down to $116.99. Not a bad deal at all. Now here's the kicker. Let's go to the 3/8 inch. Okay, here on the 3/8 inch, you're looking at an instant savings, $84.99, saving you 15% off. Now, instant savings is just a new little price when they do this. So you should be able to stack this, but you can see that it ends on March 5th. Well, ITC members, they get their first shot on Monday, and I think it's the 2nd of March, and then Thursday everybody else, or Friday and everybody else gets a shot. So you're only going to get this deal here, the $84.99 at the beginning. With this deal is going to drop it to $55.24. That is a smoking deal on a set like this. I'd be interested in it, but I got a Capri set like this, so I really don't need two sets. But man, for $55.24, that is a smoking deal on this set, but you're only going to be able to get it if you're ITC and you're quick. Then finishing out this row, we got Quinn 1/4 inch drive chrome deep socket set here for $13.99. Your price on that is going to be $9.09. Next up here, we got a Quinn 1/2 inch drive impact deep socket set for $34.99. You can see right now Inside Track has got it for $24.99. That's only a 28% off savings. If you wait till the parking lot sale, it's going to be $22.74, saving you a couple of dollars on it. Next up here, we got the Quinn 1/2 inch drive impact socket set for $24.99. Your price on that is going to be $16.24. Next up here, we got the 1/2 inch low profile impact socket set. This one's going to be $34.99. Your sale price on it is going to be $22.74. That's a pretty good deal on these, and I know this is a popular one that a lot of people like. Then finishing out this row, we got a 1/2 inch drive chrome socket set. This one's going to be $14.99, and the sale price on it is going to be $9.74. Starting off this row, we got some 1/2 inch chrome deep socket set for $18.99. This one's going to drop down to $12.34. Now these next two extractor sets here, I'm not sure if these are going to be in the sale or not, but if they are, you're paying $29.99 for metric or standard on this. What you're going to be paying, if it is on sale, is going to be $19.49. Next up, we got a 3/8 drive chrome deep socket set here for $14.99. This is going to drop down to $9.74. Starting off this row, we got a 3/4 inch drive impact set, normally $49.99. Your price is going to be $32.49 on these. Now we got some 3/4 inch deep impact socket sets here for $79.99. This is going to drop down to $51.99 for you. Here we got a 1 inch drive impact socket set for $99.99. Your price on this is going to be $64.99. Then finishing out this row, we got a 1 inch drive ASE and metric truck service impact set. This is a 10 piece. $112.99 is regular price on it. You're going to be paying $73.44. Now under sockets and Quinns, these sets are showing up too. I do not know if these are going to be included on it. We won't know until the ad comes out and you can actually click on it. But if you want to, just take 35% off on these. I'm not going to waste my time just to save on the video length. Alright, now we're going to move on to Icon here, and very first thing we have here is a torque spit set. To me, it's a socket, so these should be included. If they're not, sorry about it, but I'm going to include them on here until we actually can click on it and find out. We really don't know, so I'm just going to include these ones in here because this is going to be a good deal on these if you guys want to snag them up. The first ones we got here is 1/4 and 3/8 drive professional Torx bits. These are a 12 piece here, $29.99 normally. Your price is going to be $19.49. Next up here, we got those pesky 10 millimeters that like disappearing. Icon came up with a missing set for that, is at least what I call it, is a missing 10 millimeters. And what you got is a 4-piece set here. They got 4 different ones for you. This is $9.99. Your sale price on it is going to be $6.49. Next up here, we got some Icon 1/4 inch deep socket set for $37.99. Your price is going to be $34.69. And then finishing off this row, we got 1/4 inch shallow socket set here. These shallows could come in handy too. I'm thinking about getting some 3/8 ones. $27.99 regular price. Sale price is going to be $18.19. Now starting off this row, we got the 1/4 inch metric universal shallow socket set, 11 piece, $129.99. You're going to be paying $84.49. This is the time to get stuff like this, these expensive ones. This is probably going to be the best deal you can get on them. Now we got the ball hex socket set in 1/4 and 3/8 drive. This one's going to be $24.99. Your price is going to be $16.24. Next up here, we have a smaller 1/4 inch professional U-joint shallow socket set. This one's a 6-piece for $69.99, and that's going to drop it down to $45.49 for your price. Then we're going to move over here to the 1/2 inch drive deep impact socket set, $69.99, and you're going to get the same price for the last one, $45.49. Starting off this row, we got another big set here, and these would be the ones that the snag up once again for this price. If I have the money at the time, I'm actually going to buy the metric ones in these. These are the 1/2 inch drive impact swivel socket set, $139.99. Your price is going to be $90.99. Now we got the 1/4 inch deep socket set here in chrome, $59.99. Your price is going to be $38.99. Now we're going to move over here, some more impact socket sets here. This is going to be the 1/2 inch drive, $54.99. Your price is going to be $35.74. And then finishing off this row, we got some shallow socket sets in a 1/2 inch. These are going to be $52.99. Your price is going to be $34.44. Starting off this row, we got the 1/2 inch drive hex bit set, normally $44.99. You're going to be getting it for $29.24. Then we got the 3/8 drive deep socket set here for $44.99. It's going to be the same sales price of $29.24. Now we got the 3/8 drive shallow socket set. This is the one I was looking at here. They're going to be $34.99. Sales price is going to be $22.74. And then to finish out this row, we got the 3/8 drive deep impact socket set, $54.99. You're going to be getting it for $35.74. Starting off this row, we got the 3/8 drive semi deep socket set. This was actually the one I was thinking of that I wanted, not the shallow. I wanted the semi deep. These are going to be $39.99. You're going to be paying $25.99. Then we got the 3/8 drive triple square bit socket set here. It's a 9-piece. I'm going to also say these are going to be included. You're looking at $39.99 on these, and your price is going to be $25.99. Then we got another Torx bit set here. We got the 3/8 drive 7-piece for $19.99. Sale price is going to be $12.99. Here's another high ticket one here. We got the 3/8 drive impact swivel socket set for $114.99. This is going to drop it down to $74.74. This is where you definitely want to get these expensive ones. Now we got the Icon 3/8 drive hex bit set here for $24.99. Your price is going to be $16.24. Now we got the 3/8 drive professional impact socket set for $39.99. Your price is going to be $25.99. Now next up here, we're just going to combine these two. We got the 3/8 drive long ball hex bit socket sets, $34.99. Your price is going to be $22.74. Alright, this row also, I only see one socket set, and it's the last row here. Don't know about the extensions, but this socket set's going to be $39.99. It's going to be on sale for $25.99. That'll give you about a rough idea on all these extensions, if they're included, of what they'll be off. So there you go. There is the 35% off sale on Quinn and Icon sockets for the March parking lot sale. The ones I definitely want to get are going to be these semi-deep sockets here, $34.99 with the sale price on there. I don't have a set of these yet. That's why I'm looking at these. And then I'm also looking at the 1/2 inch drive swivel sockets that are impact rated. those are the two that I'm really eyeballing that I might pick up on this sale. Leave a comment down below. I want to hear what you guys are going to pick up. So as always, thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to check out my link tree down below. Down there it has affiliate accounts that does help out the channel. Some got discount codes, save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.